Jeremy Blant with 210 Consulting, and today I'm going to answer a quick question that came from one of my clients about how to scale images on their site in a gallery. This client is a custom home builder down in Gainesville, Florida, and so they wanted to show off some of their recent work that they've done in the area and built some really beautiful homes. And so we created this WordPress gallery, stuck it here. I'm also using a Lightbox Gallery plugin that's going to allow somebody to come in, click on an image, and see it in a much larger size. When they're done, they can click, their left to right to look at other images. But as you can see here, these images are too large. They're too big for the screen, the monitor. I'm having to scroll up and down to try to see the whole thing. So they wanted to know, how do we make this look better on the site and look nicer to somebody who's visiting the site? So let me show you quickly how to do it. WordPress actually has a function built into it that you can scale your images you've already loaded. If you haven't loaded them yet, I would always suggest try to resize your images inside whatever program you have on your computer, whether that's Picasa, iPhoto, whatever you may use on your computer as your imaging software. And if you upload them at a size about 650 pixels wide, you're going to do best, because most websites nowadays, your main content section may only be 600 to 700 pixels wide. So if your photos are larger than that, nobody's really going to be able to see it. It's going to hang off the side, not look very good. So, that being said, how do we edit the ones, how do we scale them that we've already put up on our site? Well, you just simply log in, go to the page where you need to edit them, and you'll come into a section like this. You'll see here is your gallery that you have. You can just simply click on it and hit the edit button, and here it is loaded up. I didn't want to wait for it to finish loading, so here it is. And we're just going to come down here to that image that was way too large before, single click on it. Over on the right, it gives you all of the information on that image. Hit the edit image link right there. It's going to open it up in a new window. And when it does, this picture right now is about, I think it's like 1200 by 801 pixels tall, something like that. It's very, very large. So you just simply want to click right here where it says Scale Image, and then type in your new figure. So we know we want it to be a max width of 650 pixels wide. It keeps it proportional. It puts in, it'll be 434 in this case. Hit Scale, hit Update. And now when we come back here to our page and we refresh it, that image is no longer going to be this massive 1200 pixels wide. You can see there's a bunch of images here, so it takes a little bit while to load right now. But it's now a nice size. So you can see I've done the first few. It makes it really, really nice. So if you need to scale an image in WordPress, that's how you do it. Hope it helps.